Good morning to all of you. I am Mukunda Sahu from class 10th, a student of Webinarla. Today the session of day 3. First, the concept of is fundamental theorem of arithmetic. Some concept is SCF and LCM. So let's start. Question number 1. If two positive integers p and q can be expressed as p equals to ab square and q equals to a cube b, a and b being prime numbers, then LCM of p and q. Options are a equals to ab, b equals to a square b square, c equals to a cube b square, d equals to a cube b cube. So a simple method or a cube b, LCM of p and q is equal to, first we have to write the variables of p or q, that's a and b. In the LCM we have to take the greatest power. Here the greatest power is 3, here is 1, here is 3. 3 is the greater than 1. So the power of a equals to 3 and here is the power of b is 2, here is power of b equals to 1. 2 is greater than 1, so power of b equals to 2. The answer is a cube b square, that's option number C. And next, the question number 2. If two positive integers p and q can be expressed as p equals to ab square and q equals to a square b, a b prime numbers, then LCM of pq. Similarly, we have to first write p equals to ab square, q equals to a square b, the LCM of p and q. You have to write the variables of p or q, that's a and b. LCM means we have to take the greatest power, that here is the greatest power is 2, here is 1, here is 2. 2 is greater than 1, here is 2. Power of a equals to 2. Here is power of b equals to 2, here is power of b equals to 1. So b is greater than 1, so the power of b equals to 2. The answer is a square b square, that's option number A. And the next question number 3. If two integers a and b are written as a equals to x fourth y cube and b equals to xy fifth, and SCF of a and b is, options are a equals to x cube y cube, b equals to x square y square, c equals to xy, d equals to xy cube. A is equal to x fourth y cube, b is equal to x y fifth, and here the question says that SCF. So we have to write the variables that involved in both a and b. Here is the x is here, x is here, y is here, y is here. So x and y. Here is the smallest power, that's here is the power of x equals to 1, here is power of x equals to 4. 4 is greater than 1, so we have to take the power of x equals to 1, and here is the power of y equals to 3, and here is the power of y equals to 5 fifth. 5 is greater than 3, so the power of 3 equals y equals to 3. The answer is xy cube. Here is option xy cube, that's option number D. So the question number 4. If two positive integers a and b are written as a is equal to x square y square and b equals to xy square, SCF of a and b. There are options are a is equal to xy, b equals to xy square, c equals to x square y cube, d equals to x square y square. So a is equal to and b is equals to x y square, SCF of a and b. we have to take the variables that involved in the both, means a and b. Here x, y. So x and y. You have to take the smallest power. So here is the smallest. Here is the power of b. X here is 1. Power of x here is 2. So 1 is less than 2. So here is power of x equals to 1. Here is the power of y equals to 2. Here is power of y equals to 2. Both are equal. So we have to take only 1, 2. So the answer is xy square. Here the option xy square. Here the option number B is correct. To the question number 5. If p and q are two prime numbers, then LCM of p and q is, there is option A is equal to 1, option B p, option C q, option D pq. Always there, remember that always the two prime numbers LCM is equal to product of two numbers. It's a fact. So the correct answer is option D, that's PQ. So thank you to all.